A very good afternoon, Team Zimbabwe, and today we are talking about what is happening in the city of Mutare. There is massive state brutality in Mutare where the police are going after some vendors, and as you can see right here on the screen, this is the video which is showing you the vendors being arrested in Mutare, and in the background people are singing Siyanai, nawo maVendor, and the whole street yakazara Why? Is because the people are protecting one of their own, are protecting vendors, because they believe that they still need to feed their own families, they still need to send their own children to school, they still need to pay bills and pay rentals. And in a country with a zero employment rate at this moment in time, you can actually see we really need these vendors to be doing what they are doing, because they are helping us to have a crime-free area, a crime-free country. Because if we are to arrest them, some of them, they will begin to engage in heinous crimes like armed robberies, thievery, and all sorts of illegal activities. So going after people who are looking for a living, who are looking to live, it's so sad that this is what the regime is reducing us to. But we actually applaud the people of Mutare for standing up with one of their own. So we are going to leave this video for you to actually hear for yourself, give your comments and your views in the comment section.
Kana mbrano pile ati dia